Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SU-C700 amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where this amp is not working properly, maybe it's making weird sounds, it's not responding to the button pushes and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe everything off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, this will do this. Now you will need the remote control. So with the unit, you want to have this thing with the power off. So this toggle will be down. And what you're going to do is on the remote control, you're just going to press and hold the amp button on the remote control. And while pressing and holding that amp button on the remote control, we're going to just simply switch this power level up into the power position, turn it on basically, and just keep holding it, keep holding that amp button on the remote control until you see down here the PC this coax to and the PC light will blink twice. They'll go blink, blink, and that means it's been reset. You can release the amp button and go ahead and set this up as a new device.